This isn't just a truck for mall parking lots. This is the all-new 2025 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, purpose-built for the wild, the remote, and the unexplored. With Fox QS3 adjustable shocks and a TRD aluminum front skid plate and 33-inch Goodyear Territory multi-terrain tires, this isn't just an off-road ready vehicle. It's an off-road capable vehicle. Throw in front and rear locking differentials, multi-terrain select, and crawl control, and you've got a truck that is smarter than the trail itself. Standard under the hood, Toyota's new iForce Max hybrid powertrain, 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Inside, it's just as bold. The all-new isodynamic performance seats stabilize your ride over rough terrain, and with a 14-inch touchscreen and a fully digital gauge cluster, it's as smart as it is strong. The 2025 Tacoma TRD Pro isn't just a truck you drive, it's a truck you command. This is more than a Tacoma, it's a TRD Pro. And if you aren't already, make sure you subscribe to Rohrman Toyota.